Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, November 2nd, 2023. Let's find out what is going on the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. This is the daily time frame chart, and we are going to do some nice technical analysis of this Bitcoin to the Euro market. What do we have here? The first thing is new swing high, pretty impressive new swing high, 33,836 right now on a daily time frame chart. This can change because the day hasn't been closed yet, so we can still have another breakout to the upside. But as we mentioned last time, a week ago, the trend on the Bitcoin to Euro is still up, and this is exactly what is going on this chart. Let me just add our favorite indicators. One of them will be the moving average cross. So the moving average cross between 100 and 200 was made already twice, around the level of 25,000 and then 26,000. Now that's a bearish cross and that's a bullish cross. So pretty mixed market indicators, but this bullish cross might be very optimistic and very powerful, because since the lows of the level of around 24,000 and something, if we take our price range, we can easily see that since this low just before the bearish cross happened to today's high, we are up 39%. Yeah, over 39%. And from the lows of the this is September 2023, we are up 45%. So not that bad at all, especially if you take into the account that this is Bitcoin to Euro, not Bitcoin to the US dollar. Now, if we take again this measure here from the lows, let it be from here because the marginal difference there is, and the highs of this, there's 53%. So there's 45, 53 from that low to that swing high is 51% again. And the smallest one will be this one because it's only 25, 27, almost 28%. So every time the market goes up 50% over, then 27%, but the biggest correction was happened here, and then 45%. So there is still a room to the upside. The point is that there is still room to the upside on the Bitcoin to Euro, and what we need to do right now is just to place some sort of the supports, so we know where we are trading at. So the key technical support that has not been tested that much, will make it green anyway, is located at the level of 29,123, so just below the level of 30,000. So any price that is above this level will be considered as the positive price, and the possible bullish extension is still on the table. So the uptrend 45%. Now the local levels, if we can see them, are 31,631 again. So this is the black one, and there is one more level that we can adjust to this market. So this is the level of 33,100. So that's another intraday, more likely intraday technical support. This is the short-term technical support, and this is the mid-term technical support. So it looks like the market is still moving higher. The uptrend is intact, and the bulls are in total control of the market. Now let's see momentum wise, where are we? As we could expect, this movement to the upside has hit the level of almost 90 points, and we are definitely trading during the extremely overbought market conditions. The levels roughly close to the 35,000 euro are being considered very expensive compared to the prices 14 days before. Well, only person who can complain is the bear, of course. All persons who can complain are the bears, because they are missed 45% rally on the Bitcoin. Now the level of let's say 80 is being tested by the RSI. Nevertheless, those level here, right, those price levels and those RSI level are still very, very high. These levels are still above the level of 70, so they are extremely overstretched, right? So some sort of the pullback might be coming sooner or later, because that situation cannot sustain itself. Last time we got this kind of a rally to the upside, please remember that that was this moment here, after the Bitcoin rallied, for example, to almost 30%, and then there was a short pause, and Bitcoin keeps going up despite the momentum is not doing that much, and then bounced from the neutral level, right? So the momentum went to the neutral level with this this situation here, 19,992, and then new swing high was made on the way lower momentum, right? But still we hit the level of 80, and the overall percentage gain was 53%. So that was 30, another 23% was gained, despite the fact that the market hit extremely overbought conditions. So if we hit the overbought conditions, if this scenario will repeat, most likely we will do some kind of a consolidation, some sort of the downside movement, some sort of the pullback, but there is still a room to the upside, at least towards the 50% gain. So let me just visualize that, and then maybe even 60% gain. Okay, so 50% gain is roughly around 35%, so that's for sure, and the 60% gain is roughly around the level of 37,350. So if the history will repeat, that kind of a progression to the upside might happen on the Bitcoin to Euro as well. And of course, then we will have the big correction towards the extremely oversold conditions, and maybe if the uptrend is sustained, another rally to the upside should happen. So it all looks very bullish. It all looks very positive and optimistic. The bulls are in control of this market so far, as long as we trade above 29,136, which is the key mid-term technical support. The uptrend should continue because the uptrend is intact, and of course we should wait for some sort of the pullback correction, and then after the pullback correction is terminated, another leg to the upside, another wave to the upside is being expected. Thank you very much for this analysis. Thank you for being here and watching this analysis. That's everything from me, and see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.